This tech tip looks at how to extract stringless alignment data from CAD files for efficient curbing.
One other thing, I'm going to show you, and this is the newest thing I think that we've added lately. A lot of guys are doing the stringless alignments. A lot of guys, that have curb machines. They had a lot of trouble, and, it was a lot of work to create these files, right? So AGTEK now is able to maintain the ARC data or retain the ARC data from the CAD file. So let me insert the sheet. I just got a quick job here that we've created that we're going to use to create some stringless alignments. We've already created some overruns. And again, Greg has some awesome videos that explain these overruns and what I'm going to run through in further detail. So if I just select this line work, right, there's my, my top of curb. I can do a label selection on it to select multiple lines. Then I can go up to utility, create stringless alignment. That's new. So let's do it. Let's call it TC. And then every other line that I have selected after that is going to be numbered with a -1 and so on, as we'll see here. I'll just hit OK. And as you can see, it takes me into highway mode. So now if I look at my alignments, I've got 22 alignments. I created them that fast. Again, retaining the ARC data from the CAD file. So again, we're always going to have the CAD file when we build a model, right? Because, with the PDFs, we could get close, maybe for rough layout, but, we're not going to worry about that. So now I'm going to click on the horizontal. It's already there. The vertical. Then I can look at the vertical data for that curve.